How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give a hickey for beginners easy. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So to give a hickey, it's super easy. All you do is you take your lips and you suck on the neck or anywhere on the body, wherever you want the hickey to be. The issue why people can't give other people hickeys is because they don't do it for a long enough period of time. It takes a minimum of 60 seconds of sucking to cause a hickey. So if you're only doing it for 5 to 10 seconds, you will not be able to give someone a hickey. And that's what most people do. They try to give someone a hickey, they'll do it 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds, and then they stop. So that is not enough time to give someone a hickey. A hickey is just a bruise. That's all it is. So that's suction from your lips. Your skin is extremely strong. That's why it takes 60 seconds. If you're doing 5, 10 seconds, it won't be enough. You have to suck on the neck or, like I said, anywhere in the body for at least a minimum 60 seconds. You do this, you'll be able to give hickeys all over the body. So that's how you do it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.